Let's take a look at how you can use the Uniglobal AI Copilot to quickly generate a professional reference letter for a student. On the left-hand side of the screen, begin by entering the name of the person you're recommending. In this case, we've entered Alex Hiller. Under Reference Purpose, we've typed PhD application, and in the Qualities to Mention field, we've included motivated, self-starter, professional. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once that's complete, click the Generate button. Now, looking over to the right-hand side, the Uniglobal AI Copilot has produced a well-structured PhD letter draft. The letter outlines Alex's strengths, academic motivation, and self-starting nature, with room to personalize details such as your position, institution, and examples of Alex's contributions. The tone is formal and aligned with academic expectations for graduate school references. You can now edit the letter directly, export it to Word, or copy and paste it into your institution's recommendation format.